Are you ready to ditch manual server image creation and dive into the world of automated infrastructure with Hashicorp Packer? First things first, Packer streamlines machine image creation. It does this by automating the process of building, configuring and provisioning your images. It's like a recipe book for your infrastructure, ensuring consistency and repeatability. The core of Packer is its configuration file. Defined in JSON, this file acts as your blueprint. It specifies the source or base image you will be using to build or which platform you're targeting, like Azure or Google Cloud, the provisioners for installing software and configuring the image. And finally, the post-processors create deliverables like virtual machine images. This allows you to easily spin up images across services. Packer supports Multiplatform Builds, which lets you create the same image, but tailored for different cloud providers or virtualization environments. This is awesome for consistent deployments. Provisioners are the workhorses of Packer. This step installs software, configures settings, or executes scripts directly on the image. With Packer's use of tools like shell scripts, Ansible, or Chef, you get fine-grained control over what's installed and configured on the machine image. Integrate Packer with your CI/CD pipeline to automate the creation of images. By building and testing, you can easily manage, track, and upgrade your machines. Ultimately, Hashicorp Packer is a must-have tool for any serious infrastructure engineer. Use it to automate image creation, create consistent infrastructure, save time, and ensure infrastructure is reliable.